You come in off the garage, there's a utility room with a tile floor. There's a pantry closet. Behind that half door is a wheelchair, lift, an elevator of sorts. Here's your kitchen with more tile flooring. It extends into the dining room. It has a china closet. The appliances stay in this home. Nice 8-foot bar. There are bow windows. You can put a Christmas cactus in this case. You can see the view of Marsden. It's a ranch-style house in Westfield, but there's a finished basement with an extra kitchen, an extra bathroom. You can have an in-law apartment. And another bow window. The pellet stove, the washer dryer that are new, the stove and refrigerator, and extra refrigerator stay in the sale. See how you see from one end to the other in this home? There's an open full deck on the east side where the morning comes up, the sun, to greet you. 2 bedrooms on this level. 1 bedroom was 2, became a huge master bedroom. Double closets, beautiful oak flooring. Nice setup, huh? Beautiful floors in the master bedroom. This was 2 rooms that became one great big one with a double closet. Getting the idea of how this house lays out? Let's go down to the lower level. It's like a whole nother house. Finally, you have a workshop. That's a new $7,000 plus gas efficient furnace. It's got a boiler main. The washer and dryer stay. This would be a living room in your apartment. Other than the stairway, there's no rugs in this home. No allergies. This can be a 3rd bedroom. A 4th bedroom through this door. There's a bathroom on this level too. The full bath has been updated. Double size shower, new vanity. It's nice having this 2nd bathroom. This is the exercise room. It's all insulated, ready to have some wall treatment. This is an extra room down in the basement that can be utilized for living space. For exercise, watching television, so you don't know you're exercising. Or get outside and hit the trails. Here's the kitchen. They left it in place. You may not use it, but the next guy might.